Hello there, I'm here today to show you a simple pasta dough recipe. We're here to celebrate the World Pasta Day, which is going to happen on October the 25th. It's been established in 1995 at the World Pasta Congress. So let's make the simple pasta dough. Here I have some lovely 00 flour, which is an Italian flour which has been finely milled, and it's got some durum wheat in it as well to make it really, really pliable. So we place that into the mixer or the fruit blender. You can do it by hand. Years ago they used to knead it with their feet when they had a large lot to do. Okay, there's some lovely pinch of salt. Okay, drop of olive oil. We just gently blend that together. And into there, I'm going to add I've got 2 whole beaten eggs, and I've got 4 egg yolks. Gently add the eggs. Like so. Until it forms breadcrumbs and then goes into a dough mix. And I'm using medium-sized eggs today. You can do this by hand if you want to. Into there, got a lovely stuffed breadcrumb mix. You take it out onto the bench, and we just knead it gently together. Okay. A little bit more flour. Just knead it together. Don't overwork it at this stage. It's a very dry mix. Okay. And then we have our lovely pasta dough. Put it into a bowl and place it in the fridge for half an hour just to chill down and rest. Okay then, once the pasta has been in the fridge for about half an hour and it's rested, remove it from the fridge and we've got a nice stiff dough. I'm just going to cut that into 2. Like so. I'm just going to knead it gently. Pasta was actually invented in China, and then a guy called Marco Polo brought it over to Italy. And there are 350 different types of pasta shapes. And an Italian person eats, on average, about 60 pounds of pasta a year, which is 28 kilos, which is quite a lot of pasta, considering the average portion is only 100 grams. And obviously the most 3 favourite shapes, or most popular shapes, are spaghetti, penne, and macaroni. Okay. Pasta machine. Flour, and then we just set it to the largest setting. Push it out with your fingers, or if you want to, get a rolling pin and just gently roll it flat. So, and then handle in and push it through your pasta machine. Okay, and again, like so. And then we go down 1 notch. So it goes finer and finer, and the more you do it, the finer it'll go. So if you were making lasagna sheets, you could cut this into shapes now. Like so. And the thinner it goes, the softer it will be to eat. So the three main ingredients are flour, eggs, a little bit of olive oil, and some salt. Very, very simple. Okay? And we have a beautiful thinly rolled pasta sheet. I'll take it down just one more. Very easy to make yourself. Very versatile. We are a really nice, thin, lovely pasta. Okay, like I said, we could use that now. We could wrap it around with some cannellonis, or we could just do some simple lasagna sheets. So I can put this little attachment on the machine now, and I'm going to make a tagliatelle. So we're just going to cut that, like so. Move the notch up onto there. Very popular. There's your beautiful tagliatelle. You could also dry the pasta if you wanted to use it another day. So there's two types of pasta. There's obviously fresh, and there's obviously dried pasta. The next thing we're going to make is some spaghetti. Again, very popular. And this is just really, really fine strands of pasta. So there's just the two types you can do. You can shape them, you can mold them, you can make raviolis, you can make tortellinis, tortellonis, whatever shape you want. There's loads of ideas. Be honest with you, very versatile, very cheap to make, and you can add whatever flavors, whatever sauces, whatever cheeses you want to it to create some fantastic dishes. I hope you have a great World Pasta Day, and I hope you make some pasta. Thank you very much.